Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will be speaking about Swyada Snail Mask. Already we had a session speaking about Swyada Snail Medication. So it's a little bit similar to that because in that also we have spoken about the snail mucin. So here we will be speaking about a home care range, Swyada Snail Mask, which you can use at home. So, as already we have explained about these things, that snail slime, here we have imported it from France. So, snails are a numerous and a diverse group of organisms that belong to the gastropoda, a class of the phylum Mollusca. So, usually when snails move, we have observed that they actually produce a slimy liquid for their movement. That particular liquid is actually, we call it a snail mucus or snail slime. So it is a clear amber liquid which has active ingredients present in it, which includes allantoin, collagen, protein, enzymes, glycosaminoglycans, minerals, etc. So the snail mucus or the snail mucin, commonly called as snail slime, is secreted from the salivary epidermal gland. It is secreted from the salivary epidermal glands of snails and is known for its natural benefits for the skin. So in the snail mucin or in the snail slime, we have got allantoin, we have got glycolic acid, we have got vitamins. So allantoin is an enzyme necessary for a snail to change its shell. It has got very good antioxidant properties. So we have already spoken about antioxidant properties a lot, like it can fight against free radicals. So this allantoin has got such antioxidant properties and they accelerate cicatrization. So it favors skin regeneration and decreases the aging, which is happening very fastly nowadays. Second one important ingredient which is present in snail slime is actually glycolic acid. It's a highly moisturizing and a natural exfoliant, excellent to fight against the spots and wrinkles. Because of the aging which is happening very fast, people are getting spots, lines, wrinkles on their face in a very faster way. So glycolic acid has got such highly moisturizing and a natural exfoliant property to fight against such aging process. Then it has got vitamins. Vitamin A, which is protective in nature, vitamin C, nourishing, and vitamin E, which is anti-inflammatory. Next one important ingredient present in our product is actually hydraprotectol. So basically this hydraprotectol is a multi-glycoprotein complex which is also extracted from the snail mucus. Basically it is actually the glycosaminoglycans which we have mentioned in that snail slime part, where it is also an active ingredient present. So this is the trademark name hydraprotectol. Basically scientific would be glycosaminoglycan. So hydraprotectol not only hydrates a thin layer on the surface of the epidermis, the topmost layer of skin, but also in depth, including a plumping effect on the epidermis. So it makes the skin more flexible in nature, very tonic and smoother in texture. So roughness get decreased in a high percentage. So hydraprotectol contains a high percentage of the ingredient, that is glycosaminoglycans, which have an excellent high moisturization power. So when snail slime is being applied or when we have used this particular ingredient in our product, our skin will get high moisturizing power. Skin will have the reduction of lines and wrinkles. It will have smoothening effect. Next, what we can see is actually the important ingredients which are present in the Swyada snail mask. So we have got snail mucin, which is for skin repair and regeneration. Then it reduces redness and inflammation. Then we have got manicugin C mineral, which is a very good antioxidant. It supports skin health. Then we have got D-panthenol, which is for skin healing and regeneration. Then we have got HA solution, which is for the moisture retention and skin hydration. Then we have got allantoin for the skin soothing, and also it reduces redness and irritation. Then we have got hemp seed oil. Again, it's an antioxidant and it is used for the skin nourishment. So when you observe all the major ingredients in the Swyada snail mask, it is majorly for the skin repair regeneration. It is acting as a very good antioxidant. It is helping in the skin healing and the skin regeneration properties. It is making sure that you get maximum moisturization power, moisture retention happens. You always get hydration. And also elantoin, which is providing so much skin soothing to the skin, reduces redness and irritation. Hemp seed oil, again providing skin nourishment. So all these wonderful properties are present in the Swyada Snail Mask, which is a home care product from the house of Aakaar, which you can use like twice in a week, normally when you are at home, and it will give you high skin nourishment and high moisturization power. So that's all about Swyada Snail Mask. Thank you.